Welcome to AI for Daily Living, where we help make everyday life easier. Whether that's cooking dinner, managing your money, planning a trip, fixing a problem, or staying healthy. Today's topic is how to build a healthy sleep routine if you wake up in the middle of the night. We will show you where to copy a detailed AI prompt to help you with this at the end of this video. If you fall asleep fine, but wake up at 2 or 3 a.m. and can't get back to sleep, you're not alone, especially after 40. Most advice online is generic and doesn't account for your habits, stress, or environment. In this post, we show how to use AI to analyze what may be disrupting your sleep and build a realistic evening routine. A calm plan for nighttime wake-ups and small changes that often improve sleep consistency. You're not trying to be perfect, you're building a routine that works in real life. See the links in the description to copy and paste a detailed prompt and to receive our free weekly newsletter. Be sure to give this video a like and subscribe to this channel. We publish 5 to 6 videos per month. You never know if this or the next video might change your life, for the better